Turn me all the way up. Yeah, we all the way up. Now turn me all the way up.
My niggas is the ones I'm in the field with. I keep the toolie on my hip, it's like I build shit. All aces over here, so what the deal is? All I see is bank like I'm one of Uncle Phil kids. In my city, you blessed to see 18, and seeing 21 was only a daydream. And some call it hustling, others say scheme. Kobe Bryant to my niggas sticking with the same team, man.
Niggas these days swear they all the way up. Somebody tell my shooter load them all the way up. I only smoke loud cause it's all the way up. I like a face down, ass all the way up.
All you niggas do is talk, I be about the shit. Whip the same color as the Henny I'm about to sip. Your woman crush Wednesday is the girl that I'm about to hit. I'm murdering you bitches with no disrespect to Michael Vick. I had to disappear for a minute to get my band right. Brother coming home soon, I gotta get my mans right. Come down crazy, tell me if I land right. They say you tryna be the man, I tell that ass you damn right. A nigga with pneumonia can tell you that what I spit is sick. A nigga with diarrhea can tell you what you spit is shit. While you still got your life, you better live it quick. I'ma finish this, then run it back like Emmitt Smith. You from where I'm from, then you know just what a hustle at. 500 down, couple hours, you'll double that. Take out what you spend and put the rest back in the duffel bag. You can see I'm grinding cause I'm bleeding where my knuckles at. When I hit the city, niggas know I'm turning all the way up. Set the kush on fire, burn it all the way up. 9 mil close by, I keep it all the way tough. If I ever up the strap, then you all the way fuck.
Turn me all the way up. Yeah, we all the way up. Now turn me all the way up.